안녕하세요, 여러분, and we are back. That's right, another golden tip for you. This one, I'm going to help you help yourself. That's right. What we're going to do today is use technology to help you help yourself. What do I mean? Very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to get your phone and you are going to record your own speaking. You're going to record your own reading. Then you're going to listen back because you can hear if you are mumbling. You can hear if you are making pronunciation mistakes. You can hear if you're speaking fast enough or reading fast enough. Then, once you've noticed your mistakes or the things you need to improve, go back and focus on that. Don't focus on fixing everything. Focus on fixing just one or two things. Okay? It's going to take time, but if you do this, and you do this consistently, you coach yourself, you're going to get great results. You don't need me to tell you that you mispronounced that word. You can hear it. You go back and you listen to the MP3, the audio file, you watch the video, you say, the teacher said it like this. And you just copy. You don't need me to tell you if you're not going fast enough. Just listen and go, okay, I'm going to try and go a little bit faster this time. Just focus on fixing one or two little things. And a tiny little improvement is great. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just improve a tiny bit every day and eventually you get to the top of that language mountain. Okay? So use technology to help you. Now, what else can we do with technology to help? Obviously, you're going to be listening or watching Oyster Cafe 4 days a week at a minimum, and you're going to be downloading those PDFs and making sure you do them. Okay, so technology can really help you learn a language. But what's most important is you put in the time and the effort. I'll always be there to help you. Any questions, drop me an email and I'll be happy to reply. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you next time at Oyster Cafe, where we keep English real. Bye!